Very good evening, students. Today we'll study about structured query language in SQL. In short, it is called as abbreviation is SQL, and the full form is structured query language. SQL is a language that is used to manage data stored in a RDBMS. So you can say that is nothing but a relational database management system. Is a language that is used to manage data stored in a RDBMS. It comprises of data definition language and a data manipulation language. Means it is divided into two parts. One is DDL and another is DML. First one is what is the abbreviation full form? DDL stands for data definition language and DML stands for data manipulation language. Language which is used to define structure, constraints of data, and DML is used to insert, modify and delete data in database. देखो क्या है DDL क्या करता है बेसिकली definition data definition language defines the structure of the system, how the algorithm is proceeded, how the flowchart is proceeded, how the further things are included, means how the structure is proceeded of the body, if you talk about in the terms of header file section, body of the language, or at the bottom section as well. Next ये क्या डिफाइन करता है? स्ट्रक्चर डिफाइन करता है सिंपली. Constraints of data, DML defines what data manipulation language basically defines what you can insert the data, you can modify the data, and you can delete the data in the database as well. SQL commands are used to perform all the operations. In order to study SQL commands, a database system needs to be installed on the computer. SQL कमांड को स्टडी करने के लिए बेसिकली SQL कमांड्स और डेटाबेस सिस्टम का इंस्टॉल होना ज़रूरी है कंप्यूटर में. देयर इज़ अ मस्ट थिंग दैट विल बी अप्लाइड. SQL uses the terms table, row, column, and the relational model terms relation tuple and attribute. So basically you can call as in the terms of SQL structured query language. What is that? Tuple is termed as a row and means what? Tuple is termed as a row and attribute is termed as a column as well. Column wise distribution or representation, and tuple defines the row wise distribution or row wise representation. Next is what the most recent version can be found on the website http://dev.mysql.com. It is a site. It is an hypertext link. You can say that are the steps to install, configure my SQL community server. That is version which version we have to install? That is of 5.6.20 for studying SQL commands. First of all, what are the steps are followed? How you will how you manage to download? How you will proceed with the usage? Let us see. फर्स्ट देखो क्या करोगे आप, ओपन द URL. आप ये URL ओपन करोगे, डाउनलोड द MySQL community server 5.6.20 अवेलेबल ऑन द अबव वेब पेज, एंड यू कैन सेलेक्ट द प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेदर you are using it on the operating system OS, that is Windows or Linux. Next year what will happen? MySQL community server 5.6.20 6.20 you can see how it looks. MySQL installer, after installation there is an option of what जैसे आपका लैपटॉप के अकॉर्डिंग, आपका पीसी के कंपेटिबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग यू कैन सी इफ़ योर सिस्टम इज एक्वायरिंग फॉर 32 बिट सिस्टम है अगर आपका, तो यू कैन इंस्टॉल द फर्स्ट वन दैट इज ऑफ यू कैन सी इन द थिंग ऑप्शन 44.8 MB it is showing that version. And Windows cross 86 means you can say that and which is of 64 bit. Basically computer laptop में basically there is a processor 32 bit processor, 64 bit processor. So according to that as per your technical versions, properties that you are included with your that are pre-installed in your laptop or lappy or in your personal computer, that is PC. So according to that you will download. Next, see what you will do for the further step. Do you want to run this file? It will ask, then the pop-up will come. एक pop-up आएगा आपके सामने that will having name of that particular file, that is something but MySQL installer. Desktop means where you want to be saved itself. Publisher who is the Oracle America Inc. You can say that. और पहले भी आपको मैंने बताया था, it is the first ever company that has included Java for the first time in the world. And type Windows installer package, and after that you can install in the C drive as well. You can run as well. So you have to click on the run. After that the program the software will run as well, automatically installed. So thank you for today. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा students. Understood? You will understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or in the class as well. So thank you for taking part in the video.